So this is my carnivorous plant pond. There they are in the corner here, or on the edge. Look, got some sundew and some Venus flytraps, and in the actual pond itself, it's also the white cloud minnow pond. So it's got white cloud minnow in here, and there's lots. There's probably 60 to 90 in here, and I've just done a bit of fishing, and I fished a few out, and I've put them in the fish bowl so that we can see them. So this is my fish bowl, and I made it out of a lampshade. It's quite big. I expect it's like 25-30 centimetres across, or no, sorry, 25-30 inches across perhaps. Anyway, it's quite big. There we go, look. And it's just got floating plants in out of my that I bought online, and it's got the trimmings of plants from my fish tank. And I've just added some of the white cloud minnow out of the white cloud minnow carnivorous plant pond, and it's purely so that you can see what white cloud minnow look like, because when I have them in my other pond you can't see them because of all the duckweed. Now, I don't really want duckweed in here because I want to be able to see the white cloud minnow. Now, the white cloud minnow I use in the aquaponics system normally, and it's to keep the mosquito larvae down. And there's albino ones that, because the water's dark over there, they kind of glow up kind of an orangey pink colour, I suppose. And the ones that have got the high white fin, they've got a dash of white on their fin, they tend to be the males, and the ones that haven't tend to be the females. So the ordinary coloured ones, there's quite a few ordinary coloured ones, and then there's about 3 or 4 of the albino ones. I think one's a female and then the others are boys, and then the other ones I picked them out, so the other ones are female, I think, ordinary coloured ones, and you can see them in there sort of darting around. Now they'll eat any mosquito larvae, as I say, that go on in here or that are laid into here, so that will keep them at bay, and I'll also feed them as well. So we'll perhaps give them a little bit of food now. So there we go, I've just shaken a little bit of food into the pond as well, into the fish bowl, and the white cloud minnow will eat it. They also have this little solar powered fountain in here as well, and it's just got open top, so the fountain will come up and it won't go too high, so it won't overflow the fish bowl. Anyway, the fish bowl, as I say, is made out of a lampshade, and I've just put a bit of tape over the bottom, and then I filled it up with plants and water and a few fish and floating plants. We've got some red router, some water lettuce, dwarf water lettuce, some salvinia, and there's another type of like a salvinia in here as well, but I can't see it at the minute. And then we've got ordinary plants. There's some swasitang, which is from like the fish tank. There's some there's some bacopa. There we go, spit the words out here. There's some water wisteria, and there's all different plants in here. Some of them I can't remember the names. And there's some stuff there that's Monte Carlo, and there's also a bit of moss in there as well. And then that plant there is a spider plant. It's a terrestrial plant, but it seems to be doing all right in there anyway. So adding fish to the fish bowl, which is made out of a lampshade. There we go, you can see the fish there. Anyway, hope everyone's well. Cheers.